whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! My dude! Oh, bro! Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
Okay, so let's move on. Did the man predict this?
No, what do you mean move on?
Did the man predict this? A Holly man was accused of entering a daycare, right? So this dude in New Orleans County, right? He walks into a daycare. It's Clarkson County Daycare.
Holy
it was closed. It was closed.
Jesus Christ!
And then he just was working for Chipotle to there you go. Well, you're welcome anytime.
Really? Okay, do you have...
I'm fine. I saw him going down the road like a crazy person. I have a camera, and he's a Texas plate RDG. I set it on here, so I do have that. Yeah, he just took off. Something's wrong. He came up.
Trumped up charges. I don't think that's a fair ask of the guy. I get that I get he's bombastic. I get he's a bloviating ass sometimes. But I really think that's an unfair ask, and I get why he'd be pissed.
Right. So why do you think he declared his presidency or his candidacy for president again so early? This is about a year before people even start talking about this.
Right.
One of the reasons was for this. I think he knew these guys were going to come after him. He's like, all right, you're going to come after me.
God, I almost got into a car accident. Holy
Couldn't take having May here as a reminder of what she's lost. I told her she's a grown adult, and she should know better than to bully a child for her own problems. I told May to go to her room real quick, and Kate and I got into a huge argument, and I ended up telling her that if she couldn't take seeing my foster daughter, then she could find somewhere else to stay.
Jesus!
To stay at our parents'
What is wrong with you?
I've been getting messages.
What is wrong with you?
She tells me that I'm a horrible sister and said that she was grieving. I asked, how could I take someone else's kid?
What the f***?
All on an app that's safe, secure, and super easy to use. There's no place to bet the tournament better than FanDuel Sportsbook. So go to FanDuel.com/EV to join the FanDuel Sportsbook account to claim your no-sweat bet today.
Jesus Christ.
FanDuel Sportsbook is the official partner of 1067 The Fan. You must be 21 and over, present Virginia. Bonus issued is non-withdrawable bonus bets that expire 7 days after receipt.
Smart little Honda, let fucking little big truck, little big old truck on go on through so you don't fucking. Oh my god, damn. I got that on camera. Oh shit. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. I need to back the fuck up.
Thanks for watching. If you like these educational videos, you can subscribe and like. Hope you always drive safely.